That's Jackson.
He has big ears.
And that's Tucker.
He's, you know, Tucker.
That's Emily.
She's weird.
And that's Casey.
Yeah.
And that's Eric.
His hair got longer. Who's next?
And that's Maddie.
That's Maddie. She's our friend. Turn the page.
That's Evan.
He's tall.
And that's
There's me.
Hello. That's Sam.
It's Sam.
That's Jayward.
Oh, there's Dylan.
Oh yeah, Dylan. I forgot him. Jayward.
No one likes her. I have a video of her, remember?
And last, but most definitely not least, me!